wa meruji desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. I'm Meruji and pleased to meet you. I'll just introduce myself in Japanese. So in this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Japanese. So we have 3 sentences to do this and it's super easy. You're going to learn them all right now. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. This phrase is contextual and gets its meaning depending on the situation. This literally means, please be good to me. It is the commonly used expression which corresponds to, it's a pleasure to meet you. We're gonna see the same exact words with charan. So the very informal introduction would be Yoroshiku meruji desu, being used for informal occasion, not for business meetings and for formal situations. As we have learned this lesson, there should not be an excuse for us not to be able to introduce ourselves in Japanese. Hajimemashite, watashi wa meruji desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.